Good morning. I am here knitting my Pip Shawl, and I wanted to show you the increase that I'm using. It's the knit front slip back. It's very like the knit front to back, except that you don't knit into the back of the stitch, you slip it. And that prevents that little purl bump from appearing on the right side of your work. So when you are going to make this increase, you're going to actually use the stitch, and I'm actually going to make this increase twice here for this shawl. So it's going to use a stitch to make 2 stitches. So we're going to knit into our stitch as normal and pull the loop through, but we're not going to pull our stitch off the work. We're going to reinsert our needle into the back of the stitch as if we were going to do a knit front to back, but we're not. We're just going to slip the stitch off. And what that does is to prevent the little purl bump from appearing on the right side of the work. So let's do that again. We're going to knit into the stitch, and then we're going to simply insert our needle in the front or the back, doesn't really matter, and slip the stitch off the needle. Okay, I'm going to slip my centre stitch there, work it. So again, I'm going to make the increase here. So knit into the front of the stitch and then slip, knit into the front of the stitch, slip. And you get these little doublets here. And if you look in the work below where I've worked this increase, you can see here is the increase, and you can see that it doesn't disrupt this pattern of V's, but it does create an additional stitch within the work. So actually it's a really nice increase that lies nice and flat and blends nicely into your garter stitch. I hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe and check out my next video. Happy knitting!